Well, this is my first video ever. What we're going to do is we're going to change out the door latch on the rear door of a 2011 Ford Focus. This be from anywhere from 08 to 11. This same procedure will work because they're identical. Already got the driver's side done, and now I'm going to do the passenger side. So let's get to it. So as you can see, this one hasn't been even started yet. We have to remove the door panel, disconnect the window switch, take the panel off for the pull, remove the latch, these 3 screws here, and then we can get it out. There's more screws inside, and I'll show you those as we go. First panel we got to get off is this one right here. So this pops out. You can see the 2 holes. It's got the 2 clips on there that correspond to those 2 holes. Next thing, there's 2 Phillips head screws that got to come out. And there's one underneath this little cover right here. I'm going to take it out. Make sure you don't lose your screws. The other one is down here at the bottom of the panel. Okay, once those 2 screws are out, we can go up to the door pull. And once again, that has to be pried off. Looks like this one's been off once before. Try to take care, because you can break the plastic clips, which, yeah, this one's been off before because it's broke. But that no, it's not broke. That one's not broke either. So we're looking good there. So now we got these two screws right here, one up at the top and then one at the bottom. I'll get those out and be back. All right, now underneath the pull handle for the open the door, there's this little panel here. There's a screw underneath that. Let me get that little panel off of there and I'll be right back. Just had to get behind it here, and then this will pop right out. And underneath there you can see there's another screw. That's a T30 screw. I'll get that out. All right, got that screw out. Now I got to get this little panel here off. It just lifts right up. Pull it back a little bit. Lift that up. And on the back side of this, you can see there's a little tab right here. Push that little tab in and disconnect it. All right, now that's off. Now we just have to work our way around the door and start popping the panel off. You can get the special tools or just use a screwdriver to get it started. Okay, once that's pulled off, now we have to just lift up on the panel. And now on the inside, you've got your operator handle. Lift this out, plastic off of here, and get to the screws that are on the inside. Gotta be careful that you don't destroy it, because you do want to put it back. It helps with the sound deadening of the door. So what we've got is we got to get this latch off of here. Just get up in here, pry that up, pull this little black piece out, pull this out of the door. Remove this, pull your pull out. Okay, now inside here, there's a couple screws. There's one here, and then there's another one back here that's kind of harder to get to. You've got to take this, loosen those two screws up, and take this brace out right in here. That it's a run that the window goes up and down on. You got to take that out to get to the screws inside. I'll get that out. Okay, once you loosen those two screws up, you just reach in here, lift that up, pull it right out of the hole. That's what she looks like. Just set that aside. You got to put that back in. So that was a T20 screw. You got to pull this little dot here. It covers up the hole you need to use for your screwdriver to get your inside screws out. Don't lose that. It's not 100% needed, but it's nice to have it in there. So inside these two T20s, I'll get one of them out and show it to you. So this screw's a little bit longer than some of the other ones, and it's kind of brighter head. You have to make sure you use the same one because it's a little bit longer, so you got to use the same ones to put it back in. I got another one inside there. You've got to go up into this hole and go up at an angle, and you can just see that screw in through. I don't know if you can see it or not in there, but I can just barely see with my eyes. There, I'm on it. It's a little bit of an angle, but you can still get it out. And last one, but certainly not least, of these three over here. These are T27s, and I'll get them out. All right, I got those three screws out. Now, one thing we didn't do, I have to right here, you pull one of the screws inside there, held this, so you take that off, set that aside, and to get this off, you got to pull it out a little, pull it toward you, lift this back out, and there it comes right out. So here's our latch. I need to take this wire here, which is for the power lock. Pull that little clip in, pull it out. And then you can pull it out. Now it's out. Problem with this one was the latch won't latch. You can close this all day long, and it won't hold. Just opens right back up. There's the lower, it turns the light on and off for the dome light. Little clicks. So you go to your friendly neighborhood, pull it yourself parts place. Let me get us another latch. I got both of them today for $32. Not too bad. Alrighty, let me get this one lined up inside, and I'll be back. Basically, it's the installation is the reverse of the removal. So there you have it. I'll be back when I get it in. So got her put back together. Outside handle gave me a little bit of a fit, but after fiddling with it, I did get it back in. Got the 3 screws on the outside there. Got the 2 screws inside. I got my release bar here for the lock. See, that's underneath the plastic there. And here's my release latch for the inside. There's my window switch for the power windows. So all I gotta do now is put the cover back on, put the inside door panel on, put the handle back on, and we're good to go. Y'all have a good day. Bye.